Unraveling An Ally, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used but often misunderstood English phrase, an ally. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about the nuances of this expression, you're in the right place. Let's unfold its meaning, usage, and significance together. An ally refers to a person, group, or nation that joins with another for a common purpose. It's often used in contexts like politics, social issues, and personal relationships. The key aspect of being an ally is the idea of support and cooperation. It's more than just being a friend. It's about actively working together towards a shared goal or standing in solidarity with someone. Historically, the term ally has been widely used in political and military contexts. For instance, countries forming alliances during wars or political treaties. However, in modern times, its usage has expanded significantly. Now, it also encompasses social and cultural contexts, like being an ally to minority communities or supporting a cause like environmental conservation. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use an ally in different contexts. 1. Political. During the conflict, country A was an ally of country B. 2. Social justice. He has been an ally in the fight for gender equality. 3. Personal support. In challenging times, she was an ally who always stood by me. Notice the verb often used with an ally is to be, is, was, has been, emphasizing the state of being in alliance. Discussing what it means to be a good ally is crucial. It's not just about the title but about actions and attitudes. A good ally listens, educates themselves on the issues, speaks out against injustice, and respects the boundaries and perspectives of those they're allied with. It's about commitment and empathy, not just in words but in actions. Understanding the phrase, an ally, helps you not only in language learning but also in grasping deeper social and political concepts. We hope this video has illuminated the various facets of this important term. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language is a window to understanding our world better. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.